Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Lube Semen Lube is a water-based intimate gel designed to resemble semen by its color, viscosity and texture. It is long-lasting, non-sticky, easy to clean and wash out. This intimate gel stands out for its creamy texture and ultra-slippery formula, can help increase sensitivity and provide a more intense and satisfying experience while fulfilling some G's fantasies. And because it's water-based, it's safe to use with all of your favorite toys. Its smooth and silky texture can make the experience more comfortable and pleasurable for partners of all orientations and self-love. Semen Lube is the perfect addition to your playtime, whether you're exploring new fantasies or looking to improve your intimacy. Directions to use Lube Semen Lube could not be simpler. Just apply a generous amount on the intended area and you can reapply as you wish. Let go and experience your fantasies. Orgie Lube Tube is a vast range of best-selling, well-crafted products that's worth your time to get known through this series of Orgie Company videos. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.